uterus is the female reproductive part. Uterus is the female reproductive part. This part is important in reproductive importance of reproductive organ in female body. So, and next one move on. And uterus it is called as worms is single. That is single, hollow and muscular structure. Uterus is a single and hollow and muscular structure. And this shape, uterus is shape is like inverted pears. So next one move on. It is lying in the pelvic cavity. This is the line by pelvic cavity. It is supported by ligament attached to the pelvic wall. Uterus is attached to the pelvic gland. So look at the structure and uterus, and this structure is totally uterus, and this part is one upper ducts. This part is upper ducts, and finally is main part. This part is important part, and female body the important part is so. Let's see, and that part is upper corners, and this part is uterus. And next move on, and this structure is important and focus on both. So let's see. And this part is known as fundus, and fundus is the part of dung shape. It is shape of dung. Shape is dung, and this part is, look at it, and purple color in this part is known as cornus. This part is known as cornus and upper cornus. Upper cornus is the upper cornus from which the fallopian tube opening into the uterus. This part is opening the uterus. This part, look at it. This part is body main part. It is main part of uterus. So in main part of uterus, it is called main part of uterus. This part is below and color in below, and so this part is cervix and cervix canal and fundus upper dung shape and part of the uterus which lie above the opening of the fallopian tube. And cervix is the narrow cervix is canal. Cervix is a narrow canal, and uterus opening into the vagina through the narrow cervix. So let's see, and next slide is wall of uterus, and that means it has 3 layers. Uterus have 3 layers. First of all, perimetrium. First is this wall is perimetrium. It is outer surface of uterus. Outer thin covering is called as perimetrium. And second is myometrium. Myometrium is the middle thin layer. Middle is here. And smooth muscle fiber. It is made up of smooth muscle fiber. Final layer is called as endometrium.